How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the YouTube app on your mobile device, either on iOS or Android. Make sure you are logged into the account where your saved videos to watch later. If you have not saved any videos to watch later, then simply tap on the three dot option available on the video, then tap on watch later. Now, tap on the profile picture of yours or initial in the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you will be navigated to your profile settings. From there, you can see watch later option available. Simply tap on the watch later. Now here you will get to see the list of videos you have kept in watch later and browse through it and tap on it to watch. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.